In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp microphone problem on Android. Now, there's multiple reasons why you could be getting this issue, and the first thing that I recommend that you always do is check the permissions on your phone. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your device settings just like so. So let's go ahead and do that, and then you want to go to the search bar and then type in apps right over here. Then go ahead and select over here where it says apps, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you find WhatsApp. So let's just keep on doing that really quickly. All right, so I found WhatsApp, so let's go ahead and press on that, and then you want to go ahead and select over here where it says permissions. And basically here we are in app permissions, and you want to make sure that the option that says microphone is actually allowed. So let's go ahead and select on allow while using the application just like so, and then there you go. So it's really important that you do give WhatsApp permission to use your microphone, otherwise you are not going to be able to use it. So please just keep that in mind. Another reason why you could be getting issues is due to conflicting applications. So for example, if you're using any other applications like call recorders or screen recorders while you're trying to call on WhatsApp, that is going to cause confusion, and it is going to cause the microphone to not work, and it could block WhatsApp's access. So please close all background applications by swiping them away, and don't try to screen record while you're trying to call on WhatsApp, because that is going to cause issues as well. Another thing that you guys could do is actually clear the cache. So to do that, you would need to go ahead and scroll down over here till you see storage. Then you need to go ahead and select on cache right over here and select on this option that does say clear cache. And that will basically clear up all of the corrupted files and stuff like that, and all the stuff that is not working in WhatsApp. And then from there, you want to go ahead and try to use WhatsApp again and see if it does work. And if that still did not work, then honestly, what I recommend that you guys do as sort of like a last resort is to uninstall the WhatsApp application and then install it again. I know that could be a little bit tedious, but that is definitely something worth trying. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.